Hi everyone, happy Earth Day, and welcome back to Monthly Madness. Earth Day is celebrated on the 22nd of April each year, and for this trip I'm going to need you to pack your bags, because we're going to see the Earth from the best way possible, the sky. Today we're taking a virtual field trip to Florida, and we're going to learn about our mother, the Earth. Buckle your seatbelts and get ready for takeoff. Up, up, and away! Did you know airplanes fly 30 to 40,000 feet in the sky? Right now, we're flying over Warwick, Rhode Island, and headed our way down to the beaches. This is what we call a bird's eye view. It's one of my favorite ways to look at this Earth. It really puts things into perspective about how small we are on this giant planet. Did you know water covers 70% of the Earth's surface? Now let's talk about Earth Day. The first Earth Day was celebrated on April 22nd in 1970. It originally was a United States holiday, but now it's celebrated worldwide. It's the largest environmental movement to help us to save our planet. Look at us soaring through the clouds. Did you know clouds are actually large groups of tiny water droplets? It's called condensation. Let's take a look at the map to see how much further we have to go. Oof, we still have a little bit, but we can make this trip in about 3 hours from Providence, Rhode Island to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. As you're flying, you can see several different types of clouds. These are called cumulus clouds, and they're puffy. To me, they look like cotton candy. These clouds are more of stratus clouds, which are low-lying and more wispy. Have you ever wondered how these 600-ton airplanes fly through the sky so effortlessly? It's through a force called lift, which moves the airplane upward. And then, with the thrust of the engines, the plane is able to soar through the sky. Sometimes when you're flying, your plane can experience turbulence. That's when a plane flies through an irregular air that's a little bit thicker and it causes the plane to bounce. But don't worry, it'll be over before you know it. Look, we're almost there. Here we come. Check out all those canals and waterways in Florida. The geography looks a bit different than it does in Rhode Island. Florida is nicknamed the Sunshine State, and it is the flattest state in America. Another fun fact is that they have the most golf courses of any state. We're at the airport, leaving our gate. We have our suitcases. Time to do some exploring. By far, one of my favorite parts of Florida are these beautiful tropical plants, the palm tree. Palm trees can live up to 100 years old, and they have coconuts and even sometimes dates in them that you can eat. There are 2,500 species of palm trees in Florida alone. Trees are important all year round, but especially on Earth Day because trees purify our air and help combat climate change. They also provide housing to many animals and species, and they help cool our cities and streets. Now, I know I said I love palm trees, but the beach is by far my favorite place on this planet. Here's some more of our palms. This beach is located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, but the beaches we have at home in Rhode Island are just as nice. My favorite part of the beach is swimming in the ocean. It's crazy to think about that the ocean you swim in Florida, the Atlantic Ocean, is the same ocean you swim in when you're in Rhode Island. On Earth Day and all days of the year, it's important to keep our beaches clean. We need to keep the ocean safe for the animals that live there. It's important to promote a safe and healthy beach lifestyle for those around you. That means picking up your trash and keeping our waters clean. I could splish splash in this water all day long. Now you might be thinking, I'm just a kid. How can I help save our planet? I'll tell you 3 ways. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. We need to reduce the amount of trash and waste we create. We also need to reuse things at home. Another way is to recycle and to tell others about recycling too. If you ever want to learn more about that, just ask me. But for now, it's time to head home. I'll miss the palm trees and sunny weather, but I can't wait to see you again soon.